Disorder of immunity. The ability of the human body to resist all kinds of organisms and toxins that tend to damage the human body is called immunity. Types of immunity: innate immunity, acuired immunity. Innate immunity, it is also called natural immunity. In this type of immunity, there is natural resistance of the human body to different bacteria, toxins, and other foreign agents. It is obtained by skin. The skin resists the invasion of microorganisms to human body. WBC kills bacteria and other invaders. HCl and enzymes, acid secretion of stomach and digestive enzymes destroyed the organisms which swallowed into stomach. Chemical compound in blood, lysozyme, basic polypeptides, complement complex get attached to the foreign body or toxins and destroy them. Acuired immunity. In this type of immunity, body is capable to develop the strong and specific immune responses against the microorganisms and toxins that invade the human body. It is obtained by two ways: cell-mediated immunity, antibody-mediated or humoral immunity. Cell-mediated immunity. In it, a human body develops a large number of lymphocytes specifically against foreign agents that have the power to destroy them. Antibody-mediated or humoral immunity. In this type of immunity, the human body develops circulatory antibodies that can have the power of attacking invading foreign agents. Antigen. It is any invading agents, microorganisms, toxins, and foreign proteins that is capable of producing an immune response in the human body. Antibody. It is the specific globulin proteins that formed in the blood plasma in response to an antigen. Antibodies are gamma globulin. Blood has three types of globulin: alpha, beta, and gamma. Types of antibodies. Immunoglobulin G, IgG. It is the only antibody can cross placenta. Immunoglobulin M, IgM. It provides defense against bacteria and viruses. It can activate complement and does not cross placenta. Immunoglobulin A, IgA, found in secretions like saliva, intestinal secretions, and milk. Immunoglobulin E, IgE, found in allergic or parasitic infection. Immunoglobulin D, IgD, present on B cell surface.